Hello everyone, welcome to Healthy and Tasty Options. Today I am going to show how to make simple, healthy and tasty snack Paneer Shashlik and Tofu Shashlik in air fryer along with nutritional facts of paneer versus tofu. You can try cooking with skewers in air fryer, oven or barbecue grill, but this one is very simple and easy to cook in air fryer. You can have it as a meal or snack, even kids will enjoy nicely. Coming to nutrition, paneer is a good source of protein. It's rich in vitamin A, D, calcium, phosphorus and sodium, but also comes with extra calories, fats, saturated fats and carbs. If you want to cut down few more calories, you can either get low-fat paneer or make it from low-fat milk. Tofu is also a good source of protein, low in calories. It's rich in iron, magnesium and potassium. Too much of saturated fats is not really good for health. Builds up cholesterol and causes blockage in the arteries, leads to heart diseases. Trans fats are also dangerous for heart health. Thus, portion size and frequency is very much important for paneer. Comparatively, tofu is very low in calories, zero cholesterol, less in fat and moderate in protein. Thus, it's a good option for Weight Watchers. This is the approximate nutrition breakdown for paneer and tofu. As paneer is high in fats, it's ideal to keep it limited in quantity. You can balance it with more vegetables. Paneer and tofu shashlik need the same marination, but paneer needs less cooking time than tofu due to its firmness. Let's start with paneer shashlik. In a bowl, add paprika, coriander powder, salt, pepper powder, cumin powder, chaat masala, garam masala, oil, lemon juice, ginger garlic paste, pinch of turmeric and mix it up. Add yogurt and mix well. I'm taking 1 cup of paneer. It gives around 832 calories, 69.6 grams of fat, 48.8 grams of protein. I chose all colors of bell peppers. Chop peppers and onions into same size. Now add the paneer cubes first and mix them all. Next add bell peppers and onion and mix it up. Rest it for 20 minutes. Take air fryer safe bowl, add marinated mix. Place it in the air fryer basket. Air fry at 370 Fahrenheit for 6 minutes. Toss the cubes and air fry at 370 Fahrenheit for 5 to 6 minutes or lesser. You can see paneer and peppers is cooked well. Serve it with few onions. You can as well try cooking it on Stovetop using non-stick pan. It's really very easy, simple and tasty. For a pan fry also you don't need to put extra oil. It cooks and tastes so good. Let's get started with tofu shashlik. It needs the same marination. This is 8 ounce tofu with firmness number 4. It gives around 235 calories, 12.8 grams of fat, 27.2 grams of protein. Chop tofu into cubes. Add tofu cubes first and then bell peppers and mix it up. Add the marinated mix and give it a good shake. Air fry at 370 Fahrenheit for 7 to 8 minutes. Mix the cubes and air fry at 370 Fahrenheit for 7 minutes. Tofu shashlik is ready to serve. You can add some onions on the top. You won't believe paneer and tofu shashlik both will be very delicious. Hope you enjoy easy, healthy and tasty snack shashlik made with paneer, tofu and bell peppers. Thanks for watching.